students, myself Mehboob Pasha, and today in this session we will continue with the problems of exercise 6.1 of algebraic expression sign identities. Students, in this fourth way we need to do subtractions of two algebraic expressions. Okay, so here let us solve the first sub question of fourth question. Okay, so what they have given: subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay students, so what we need to do here, we need to subtract this polynomial or this expression from this expression. Okay, so here in that case, okay, so first we need to write this expression. Okay, so first we need to write this expression. So here write that one: 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Why we need to write first that expression, students? Why? Because we have to subtract this from this expression. Okay, so because of this, so we have to write first this expression. Okay, now what we have written? We have written the expression, that is 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now students, what we need to do here? We need to subtract now. So we need to subtract. So because of this, so write minus symbol. Okay, all right, minus. Next, what is the next thing means? You need to write the next expression in bracket. Okay, this is a compulsory. So when you are subtracting any two expressions, so the second expression should be written and in a bracket. Okay, so write here minus. Why minus? Because we need to subtract. Now write here bracket. Now write this whole expression in this bracket. Okay, so here 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Okay, bracket close. So now students, what we have done? We have written the first, that is this expression in bracket. Students, here you need to know certain things. Okay, so here look at here, minus into minus, minus into minus will be always plus. Okay, and plus into plus. Okay, plus into plus will be always plus. Minus into minus will be always plus. Plus into plus will be always plus. And minus into plus or plus into minus. Okay students, minus into plus or plus into minus will be always minus. Okay, so will be always minus. Now what we need to do? We need to solve this expression. So how to solve? So write this expression as it is: 12a, okay, minus 9ab . Now students, here we have to be very careful in writing the terms. Okay, so here what is the first thing is, we need to take out this term from the bracket. Okay, so here what is the first thing means, we need to take out these terms from the bracket. Then how to write this one? Okay, now look at here students, we have written this expression up to here. Okay, now don't write minus sign first only. So here you come to this term, nothing is there means what is there? Tell me. Plus, no? Here nothing is there means plus will be there. Okay, so plus, as I told you, this bracket indicates multiplication. Okay, this bracket indicates multiplication, and here nothing is there means plus will be there. So you can say plus into minus or minus into plus. Plus into minus or minus into plus is what? Minus only, no? So write here minus. Okay, and then you write this one here, that is 4a. Now students, again you need to multiply the next term, minus. Okay, so here also minus is there. Okay, so this is minus 7ab. Okay, so minus into minus. So look at here, minus into minus is what? Plus, no? So minus into minus is plus. Now, what is there here? 7ab. So write that one. Okay, what's the next thing? Again into multiply this. Minus into plus. Minus into plus, that is, look at here, minus into plus is what? Minus only, no? So minus into plus is what? Minus. And what is there here? 3b. Okay, again minus into plus. Minus into plus is what? Minus only. Okay, and here nothing is there, means 1 is there, so 1 into 12 is what? 12 only. Okay, so 1 into 12 is what? 12 only. So now what is the next step? We need to group the like terms. Okay, so here first write this term. Now write the like terms with respect to this term. A is there, no? So where is one more a? Here is z. This term you cannot take. Why? Because it is a combination of a and b. So you take this term. Why? Because here this is a like term with respect to this one. Okay, so minus 4a. Now write this term. Okay, minus 9ab. Now write the like term with respect to this term. So here ab is there, no? So whichever the term ab is there, so that will be the like term. So here ab is there, no? So plus ab is there. So write 7ab. Now write this one, plus 5b, no? Plus 5b. So which is a like term with respect to this? Where is the variable b? Here, no? So it is with minus. So write minus b. Now constants, minus 3 is there, no? So write minus 3, and here minus 12. Okay, so here in this step, students, okay, so you should not do multiplication here. From this step you should not do multiplication. So you have to do multiplication only with respect to the second step. Okay, you need to do multiplication only with respect to the second step. Now here, from this step you should not do multiplication. You need to add and subtract the terms. Okay, now students, look at here. These two are the like terms. These two are the like terms, and these two are the like terms. Okay, so anyhow these are the constants. So here what we have done, we have grouped the like terms. Now how to subtract them? Then forget about the variable. So 12, nothing is there, means here plus will be there. So 12 minus 4 is what? 8. 8, no? So right here variable. Next, come to this. Okay, now minus 9 plus 7. Okay, so minus 9 plus 7 is what? Minus 2. As I told you, so whenever you come across opposite signs, that is plus sign, minus, at that time you need to do subtraction. Okay, so subtraction how you have to do in a normal way, but you need to write the sign which is in front of the greater number. Okay, so here 9 minus 7 is what? 2 only, but so here greater number is 9, and the sign in front of 9 is what? Minus. So because of this we have written here minus. Okay, so minus 9 plus 2 is what? Minus 2. Now write this one, AB. Okay, now students, plus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is what? 2, no? So plus 2, and what's the variable? B. Okay, now minus 3 minus 2. So whenever you come across the equal signs, whether it is plus plus or minus minus, as I told you, what you have to do? You have to add the numbers and keep the sign whatever the number is having. Okay, so here as the numbers are having same sign, so add those numbers. Okay, 3 plus 12 is what? 15. And which sign we have to place here? Whatever the sign the number is having, that sign only we have to place, that is minus. Why? Because if these numbers are having minus sign. Okay, so students, this will be the solution for the given problem. Students, now we'll solve the second question of fourth question. Okay, so here what they have given: subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay, then what is the first step? So we have to subtract this expression from this expression. Okay, so what does it mean by? It means that, so we have to write first this expression, next minus, next this expression. Okay, so write that one: 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay, now what we have done, we have done this expression. Next, minus sign. Why minus sign? We have to subtract. Now write this expression. So before that, what we have to do, we have to place the bracket symbol. So now write this expression in the bracket: 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. Okay, so just check out whether you have written correctly or not, correct or not. Okay, now what thing we have to do? Write this expression once. Next, what we have to do? We should not write the terms directly. Okay, so here bracket indicates multiplication. Okay, now here nothing is there means plus will be there. So minus into plus. Minus into plus is what? Minus. Next, write this term 3xy. Now minus into plus will be minus. So write this term 5yz. Again, minus into minus is what? Plus 7zx. Okay, students. So now what's the next thing? We need to group the like terms. Okay. So here you should not do multiplication in third step. Okay. So you should do multiplication only in second step. Okay. So for this kind of problem, you should not do multiplication in third step. Rather than what you have to do, you should do multiplication in second step, like how we have done here. Okay. Now we have to group the like terms. So here 5xy. So which is the like term with respect to this? So where is xy? Here, no. So this is a xy minus xy. Now write this one. Okay. And like term with respect to that, yz minus 5yz. Okay. And now write this one: minus 2zx, and like term with respect to that is what? This one. Okay. Now write this one as it is. Now students, what we have done, we have to group the like terms. This is the like term, this is the like term, and this is the like term, that is alone. Okay. Now nothing is there means plus will be there. So here in this step you need to do addition subtraction. Okay. So plus 5 minus 3 is what? 2, and write variable xy. Now come to this minus minus, same sign is there. What we have to do? We have to add 2 plus 5, 7, and which is sign? Minus sign is 0, so write minus sign yz, write the variable. Now opposite sign, one is plus, one is minus, one is plus. Okay, so here minus 2 plus 7 is what? Plus 5, and zx. Okay, Now this is remaining no, so write it as it is. Okay. Okay, students. So this is a solution for the given problem. Now students will solve third sub question of fourth question. Okay. So what they have given? Subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Okay, so this is lengthy now. It's little bit lengthy. Okay, so no problem. We'll solve this one. Okay, so now as I told you, what we need to do first, we need to write this expression first. Okay, then minus next bracket, and next we need to write this expression. Okay, so here first write that expression. Okay students, so what we have done, we have written this expression first. Okay, next minus next bracket, again we have done this expression. Okay, now what is the next step? We need to write this expression as it is. Okay, 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Okay, now here we have to be a little bit careful. Again I am telling you, this bracket indicates multiplication. Okay, nothing is there means plus will be there. So minus into plus will be minus. So write this one, 4p square q. Now minus into minus will be plus. So write 3pq. Okay, now minus into plus will be minus. So write 5pq square. Okay, minus into minus will be plus 8p. Okay, so now minus into plus will be minus. Okay, then 7q. Now minus into minus will be plus 10. Okay, now here what is the next step? We need to group the like terms. Okay, so here write 18 first, as there is here 18, so write it first. Next, just check whether there is any other number. Okay, so here is the no, so 10. So plus 10 plus 10. Okay, now write this one, minus 3p. Okay, now we should write the term with respect to this. Okay, like term. So here whether there is any p term. Okay, so here it is no. So 8p plus 8p. Okay, now this one, right, minus 11q. Now with respect to this, write any q term. So where it is, only q should be there. Okay, so here it is, minus 7q. Minus 7q. Okay, now write this one, plus 5pq. Now with respect to this, write the like term, only pq should be there. So here pq square, no need. So here p square q, no need. So here, okay, so here it is. Okay, so plus 3pq. Now write this one. Okay, so here minus 2pq square. Okay, now write the like term of this one. Okay, so where pq square. Okay, so only pq should square must be there. Okay, so here it is. Okay, pq square. So here minus 5pq square. Okay, now write this one, plus 5 okay, p square q. Okay, now write the like term of this one, where it is, here only it is there. Okay, so minus 4p p square q. Now, what we need to write next? Have we written all the terms? Just check how many terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I've written all the terms. Okay, so these are the like terms now. So these are the like terms. Okay, now 18 plus 10 is what? 28. Next, here opposite signs. What you have to do? Subtraction. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. Okay, so plus 5 will be there because bigger number is having plus sign. So plus 5 and here 3. Now here same sign we need to add. And what sign we have to keep? Minus only, no, because they are having minus sign. So 11 minus 7 is what? Minus 18. Okay, and write Q. Next, same sign. Okay, so we have to add. So as we are having plus, so write plus. 5 plus 3 is what? 8. And write Q. Okay, here same sign. What you have to do? You have to add. Okay, so write minus sign only. So how to add 2, 5? That is 2 plus 5 is what? 7. Okay, and write Q square. Okay, now come to this opposite signs. So then what we have to do? We have to subtract. That is 5 minus 4 is what? 1. Okay, so here bigger number is having plus sign. So write plus. So 5 minus 4 is what? 1 only. You can write 1 p square q, or you can write simply plus p square q. Okay, so this will be the solution for the given problem.